Activity in the industrial sector of the market remains compromised by a scarcity of modern accommodation, although we are expecting to see continued take-up in this sector over the course of the next 12 months. Demand will, for the most part, be fueled by the expansion and relocation of domestic companies, with some occupiers using upcoming lease events as an opportunity to relocate to more modern premises. However, we do expect to see many occupiers opting to renew existing leases, considering the scarcity of alternative accommodation. We also expect to see some demand emanating from global logistics companies looking to establish or expand operations in Northern Ireland. Indeed, with the continued growth of e-commerce and online sales, the dynamic between supply chains and the logistics sector continues to evolve, and we expect this to drive demand for modern accommodation across the province. Premises at Mollusk, Dargan, Duncrew and Boucher are expected to be the most highly sought after, while strong demand is also expected for industrial facilities in both Lisburn and Newry, given their proximity to the motorway network, with increasing appetite for premises close to the Belfast-Dublin corridor. The closure of Michelin and JTI plants will hit the Ballymena market hard over the course of the next 12 months. It is therefore hoped that replacement industries will be found for these facilities in due course. With the supply of modern accommodation remaining scarce, we expect to see some further upward pressure on prime industrial rents in Northern Ireland in 2016 to approximately £4.50 per square foot. The industrial market is generally known for its ability to respond quickly to demand cycles due to the relatively short construction period for industrial buildings. However, despite anticipated rental increases in 2016, industrial rents will not rise to the point where speculative development is viable. And so for this reason, we are not expecting to see any significant new industrial accommodation emerging other than specific expansion and design and build projects. The one exception to this is a large speculative scheme extending to approximately 150,000 square foot at Greenwood Business Park in Lisburn, which is due to complete in the first quarter of this year. The proposed reduction in corporation tax from April 2018 will also be significant for this sector of the market, potentially boosting demand for manufacturing, distribution and logistics facilities in due course.